Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Copy.ai and set up content generation automation step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Copy.ai. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign Up button on the top right corner. Click the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. After that, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Copy.ai. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Copy.ai website to complete your registration. Now, log in using the email and password you just set. Upon logging in, you will be taken to the Copy.ai dashboard. Explore the various templates available for content generation. Choose a template that fits your content needs. Start inputting relevant details as required by the chosen template. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click Generate. Review the generated content for quality and relevance. If satisfied, you can copy the content to your clipboard. To set up automations, navigate to the Integrations section of the dashboard. Select the automation tools you wish to connect with Copy.ai. Follow the prompts to authorize and link your chosen tools. Once linked, customize the automation settings to fit your workflow. Save your automation settings to ensure they are active. Test the automations to confirm they work as intended. Monitor the generated content and automations for any needed adjustments. Regularly update your templates and settings to match your goals. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Copy.ai and set up your content generation automations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.